If you're seeing an itch.io error processing payment, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by a payment problem, a browser problem, or sometimes a network issue. And the good news is that most of the time it can be solved in just a few minutes. So whether you're trying to buy a game, support a creator, or complete a purchase on itch.io, this guide will help you get past the error and finish your payment successfully. If this video helps you, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, check your card or payment details. This is the most common reason for an error processing payment message. Make sure the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing information are all entered correctly. Even a small typo can cause the payment to fail. If you're using a debit card or prepaid card, also make sure there's enough balance available. Sometimes the payment is being declined simply because the card doesn't have enough funds, or because your bank is blocking the transaction for security reasons. If everything looks correct and it still won't go through, try a different payment method. Itch.io may support more than one option depending on your region, so switching to another card, PayPal, or another available method can often solve the issue immediately. Some banks are more strict than others, so if one payment method fails, another one may work without any problem. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with checkout pages and cause payment errors on websites like itch.io. To do this, open your browser settings, find the option for clearing browsing data, and remove cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try the payment again. This can refresh the checkout page and remove hidden glitches that may be causing the error. Another important thing to try is turning off your VPN. If you're using a VPN, proxy, or privacy-based browser extension, itch.io or your payment provider may see the location change as suspicious and block the transaction. Disable the VPN temporarily, refresh the page, and attempt the payment again using your normal connection. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the issue. If the payment still fails after that, double-check whether your browser extensions are interfering. Ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy extensions can sometimes break payment forms or prevent the checkout page from loading properly. Try opening itch.io in an Incognito window or a clean browser session, then test the payment again. If it works there, you'll know the issue is probably one of your extensions. You can also try logging out and back into your itch.io account. A temporary account or session issue can occasionally cause checkout problems, and signing in again can refresh the session. If possible, you may want to try a different browser or device, especially if the issue keeps happening on the same computer. If none of those fixes work, the problem may be with your bank, card issuer, or payment provider, and you may need to contact them to approve the charge. Sometimes international or online purchases get flagged automatically, and the bank needs to verify that it's really you making the purchase. So to recap, the main fixes are to check your card and payment details, make sure you have enough balance, try a different payment method, clear your browser cache and cookies, and turn off VPN or proxy services. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the itch.io error processing payment issue. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.